there is
Parang may magaling dyan.
in the barangay. No, I mean the replication is a design. Kasi we're technology guys here. Our business is IT, telecom, internet. And we know if a solution works in a portion of the ecosystem, a solution like this should be replicated by people around you. Because, for example, if in the barangay, I know you're barangay chairman, but you have young people there who want to be. In fact, my nephew and the girlfriend of my nephew, they all want to be with you. Now they want to know how. Now they say, can you join Tito Mel? Before I should be charging money to do but they're here. And I think the replication is not spontaneous or ad hoc. I propose it has to be designed because these leaders are young people are looking for a leader who can speak well, ethically, straight, clear, and reflective of culture. I mean, how do they do that? I think you have the power. I think that's why we're here. Our family decided and said, let's donate the map to Mayor. Because this map, malaki rin ang pinagdaanan itong mapa na ito, katulad mo, na sana, mabigay namin yung message na as you communicate to the youth and replicate yourself, they learn out of country.
Patience is a beauty. And good things come for those who are progress. We're still in the middle of this. I'm just grateful to God that they're still being great. The risks are being managed. Next goal is jobs, jobs, jobs. Again. Second, job, jobs, jobs. Yun ang goal naman. Balik na sa pagsisikap ng tao. And the only way para makatulay yung tao. Yun yung gobyerno. Yung rich, parang katawid. Trying to support our local businesses. Whether small, lahat ng goal. Mag-normalize pa sila. Takes time, not that easy. But you know, there's nowhere to go but up. Wala na. Sad-sad na tayo. Kaya ako pa naman nakapalang mukha ko. Kasi kung hindi ko lalakasan ng loob ko, the way where I came from, alam mo, wala ko sa akin. The right to try. Continue to try. And I think somewhere along the way, I will pay. But one thing for sure, I will not stop. In failure, we will learn. Definitely. And we will not make the same mistake. When we go on again. Sabi nga, meron akong lagi sinasabi sa kanila. The most valuable commodity in this world, if you put it in right perspective, sabi nila is gold, diamonds, oil. No. Time. If you lose time, you cannot buy back time. Same thing with all resources. Kaya kailangan diretso na tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung aming long-term plan. Yan, ginagawa. Kapon na nag-visit ako sa Binong-Dominion. Pag-Dominion. Meron akong gagawin isa, mas malaki. Mas yung hospital, mas yung Manila Zoo, tapos tuloy-tuloy yung trade, dagat, kalsada, Sinod. Normal, gobyerno. Trying to
The other thing here,
really non-threatening to your even fellow mayors. That you inspire them also. Parang you raise the bar, and when they saw you doing it, you showed them the way. And they don't see you as a threat or what, but they
I
see
also
you as an
learned from
example.
I also learned from them. Ano kami naman eh. Collaborative ba?
Pero there was a time, nobody was there when you started coming. Parang sa gulatan, madali na gulat ang marami.
But what we did is basic governance. Going back to basic. The elementary of governance. Nothing spectacular. Sino nga raw? Yung mali na ikinipit balikat ng leader sa haba ng panahon, naging tama, naging normal. Kaya here comes, pumasok kami, binalik ko yung alphabet of government, the ABCs. Kasi yung tunay na tama. Kaya maraming nagbibago. Siguro, can you imagine an 8-lane of 2 kilometers with 15,000 statues for 30 years? Is that normal? Kawawa naman yung mga lola ko, mga nanay namin. Sasakay ng jeep, makapatong ka rin. So, busy. Walang spectacular. Kaya lang, nobody did it. Kaya naman.
Another example, kasi ano property right in front of the Miracle Church. Diyan ka nung narali nun, di ba?
Doon kami nag-launch.
Ilang meron naman yan, hindi lang maayos-ayos yung gulo dyan. Era, Berlin, broke it down, binalik ng pare, wala. Hindi ka pa, you didn't even take your oath yet. Nalinis na. Just on your persuasive power. Nagulat ko eh. Apat na meron naman din na maayos-ayos ng pare. Gulo-gulo dyan, in front of the Miracle Church, in the studios.
Kasi yun yung nakasanay.
Hindi ka pa mayor, parang, hindi na, okay, we're out.
I think
Hindi
that's
mo lift a finger.
that's what
Persuasive power.
It's not that
Communication.
That's not the point that he did. I think what should be highlighted is that process of collaboration, communication, stewardship, workmanship. Paano nagawa yun? Yun ang dapat matutunan din. Kasi lahat naman, all mayors may have wanted to do that. But I think the young leaders would like to know, making that process as part of the curriculum of replication. The R in Moreno is the replication. We will talk about the M, which is Manila. I will complete that later.
Let me see this.
Okay.
1734. Baboy de Masinlo. Scarborough Show. Talagang atin yung Spratly, no? Sige, let's see.
With your
Oh.
the other side.
Sige.
On cue, we can drop the layer. Just decide and count for the photographer.
1, 2, 3.
This is a official replica of the 300-year-old Mount Mayor. One of its features, but not the only thing that's important about this mount is Panacolis, Scarborough,
Yes, Scarborough.
Friends Province.
Atin talaga eh. 1734, that is 300 years.
At ang Manila, ang bida po dito. That's, you know. Yes. And there are about 900 towns and cities residents in there. In fact, Pasig is here.
Intramuros.
is here.
Intramuros.
po'y nabili ko sa isang auction na ginamit ng gobyerno as exhibit or election laban sa China. At nanalo po tayo sa 2026.
Galing. At least, very clear.
Saan dyan yung 9 dash line nila?
Ay, dito.
Sa labas.
Sa labas.
Oo, di ba?
Sa labas.
So the exclusive economic zone remains.
Magiging talaga.
Ang atin talaga.
He has visitors from China.
Ay, sure. Oh.
Okay.
Ganda.
Sa industry. Mayor.
Oh. Ano to? Ilagay ito sa bulwagan para lahat ng taong tagalunsod pag pupunta pa-idea. You take care of it. Nabili pa sa Sotis Bay.
Mm.
This was owned by the group of Northumberland. Siya yung may-ari nung Harry Potter Hogwarts School of Wizardry. And the original map was kept there for 200 years. Kasi po, yung pagkanakaw ng...
Sangli yun.
Oh.
Cavite. Grabe.
The British were here in 1761. Ninakaw nila yung copper plates na paggawa nila. Dinala nila sa Europe, sa London, at nag-print sila. Ito yung isa sa yung original. But the government never owned the copy, so according to Justice Cargill, we needed this, so we got this.
So you actually made the bid?
Yes!
Oh, the video. 170,000
Pounds.
pounds.
Yeah, and it came very at the exact date when we needed the
Yeah.
prove our point.
Oh, because we needed to submit an original.
Yeah.
Yung intramuros.
Nagkataon naman, ngayon, kapilido namin. Hindi, no relation to the other Velarde, but not even to the friar. But, we're laughing.
Treasure. Dapat to ma-digitize agad to. Tapos ma-save somewhere else. Para no matter what. Yung physical is a good testament. But for reference, here, evaluation of others, so that they will send a copy. They will understand.
That's our advocacy.
Dapat ito, pumalag ko sa spiritual world. Okay, good. Liwanag na maliwanag eh.
My farm family is practiced in one
Intramuros ba ito? Intramuros na. Ito na. Ito yung kwento ni ano.
So, Bawanga, this is Manila.
Cavite.
Cavite. Manila Bay. Manila Bay. This one is Intramuros, Rio de Pasig.
So yung buong Loton, tubig din. Halos may tubig din. Ito yung Puente de España. Jones Bridge. Ito yung ating settlers ng mga Filipino Chinese. Every day they
So,
cross
Binondo.
here. They cross the church, the Jones Bridge. Papasok dito sa gate dito. Magtitinda. Tapos, magmamason. So, tubero. Yan. Pagdating ng alas 5, takip siling, kailangan silang lumabas. Balik sila dito. Hindi sila mag-stay. Mag-stay. Walang mag-stay dito na hindi membro ng Spanish Army or community. Kaya nagkaroon ng gero ng ako. Ayun, mas quick. papaya, langka ito. Oh, langka pa langka.
May white monkey pa.
Mhm.
Ito ngayon, pinakita ni Father na Pedro Murillo Velarde. Ito at saka ito. Na bago sila dumating, self-reliant na yung Pilipino. They were-
Nabubuhay na.
Nabubuhay na.
Marunong na ng farming.
Farming.
Oh. Irrigation, farming. Yan.
Ito nga show yung Los Bagos de Paragua.
Yeah, yung
Fountain.
Palawan.
Mhm.
Yung water. The water is sweet.
Ah, yeah, sweet.
Kaya
Yeah, dito.
pati yung mga Muslims,
Mm.
gusto nila to eh. Kasama yung Brunei.
Oo,
Sabi yung Saba eh.
May sabaw.
Sama eh.
Kasama may sabaw. I-claim natin
Kaya
sa sabaw.
gusto rin nila yung mapato.
Really,
Resulta na sila.
Ito pa, Mayor, Pozo de Agua Dulce. Ang tubig daw natin napakatamis.
Yan, no? Sama talaga.
Tsaka talagang trade routes eh. Oh.
Tapos ito po, Mayor, yung mga other cultures. They've been here in the Philippines. Mestizo, Hapon, Indio, Negro, Espanyol, and then you also have
Armenian.
Armenian.
Ganun.
Lahat to, they were here in the Philippines.
Chris, yung mga landmarks sa Manila.
So we have Cavite is here.
Ito. Batangas, Corregidor, Bataan, ito Manila.
Yan, Bulacan.
Oo.
Ito ng Bulacan.
Laguna Divide. Buhay na talaga siya nung araw. Taling. Ito na yung ano, di ba? Yung
Nalimayan.
Oo.
Bridge.
So Mayor, in 1734, they've already mapped out the entire country.
Oo.
And 900 towns and cities were already identified. Right now, we're 1/6. No?
1/6.
6 municipalities.
What they did the...
There's a connection to Luzon. This one is a landmass.
Bicol to, Bicol to.
Bicol.
Yeah, but there's another quarter than that.
No. That's Quezon
Bicol to,
province.
Bicol to. Na ano lang siya na merge. Pero pag ginawa mo ng konti niya,
Oo, tama.
gagano mo lang siya ng konti, hahaba. Tapos ito, gagano ng konti.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, drawing lang. Pero na-map nila pareho-pareho.
Galing, no?
Gagano mo lang, oh.
Yeah.
Yan, magpapaano yan. Kaya nandito, Borneo. Which is yun. Tama naman ang orientation. Sa dulo ng Palawan, eh, sa dulo ng Tawi-Tawi. Yan.
Ang cul-de-sac.
Ito, embarkadero, parang sa Bicol may embarkadero. O yun, ayun, nakalagay yun.
Look one. Oo.
Embarkadero.
Sa may dagat.
Oh.
Para siyang restaurant na shopping mall.
Tapos ito po, Mayor, copper plate. So kaya siya per
Isa-isa.
section. Tapos kinala ng
Dinikit.
Babuyan Island, oh.
Ayan.
Ayan, Babuyan is Batanes.
Satanas.
Babuyan Island.
Nueva Castilla, Luzon.
And this is the official king's
That's the code.
Seal.
Ito po yung official name, no? Yung
Carta.
Europea, las Islas de Philippines.
500 years anniversary of their arrival will be next year, Mayor.
Mhm.
I think you'll be also
And it's the what of
on
Manila?
spot
The
there. I'd
50th?
like to suggest to you, we could explain na Spain was not really our true enemy. Our true enemy was the tyrannical, dogmatic ideas that possessed even the oppressor. Even the Spaniards, the early French, they were oppressed by the Roman Empire. The Romans were oppressed also by the Etruscans. So I think in the 500, looking back 500 years, Manileños could start looking at history and aligning it with restorative justice. Something that we accept what happened, but we knew exactly that both oppressor and oppressed were possessed by tyrannical, dogmatic ideas. Because they were also victims of ideas that destroyed humanity through the centuries.
Sir, tama naman sinabi ng mga bayani. Ang hindi lumingon sa pinanggalingan, hindi makakarating sa baro.
Ito yung disputed islands. And
Talagang atin.
What is Kalayaan?
Kalayan, Summer Hill.
Yan. Kalayan na.
Summer Hill.
Yeah, this one, dinukduk na lang nila. Nandiyan na lahat yan.
Kasi sets of island, sets of landmass.
Atolls kasi.
Kasi pag tinignan mo,
Pag inipot mo.
yung orientation ito, saka orientation ito. Parang mountainous, ito to mountainous tong area to. So, it's a landmass. I think, historians, master in mapping, map reading, they will understand.
Pero alam mo, nakakuha niya. Ito yung mga trade routes yun. Pero pumapasok siya dito, may trade routes.
Ito,
Yan yung value.
mga foreign, no?
The value of our geography because really ships pass through.
Mga foreign vessel. Ito, malalaman mo agad foreign vessel. Ito mga to. Bigla ka ngayon maglolokat, ayun tayo.
Balanghay.
Malangay.
Oh, yeah.
Ayun, no?
Yeah, the design is even
The design.
captured, no? Oh,
Yung layag, tapos
Oh,
yung...
yeah.
gano'n.
At tama din sa
So,
area niya kasi
medyo
malapit sa
malapit.
Mindanao.
Isla de Negros. Panay Island. Tapos Mindanao. Bohol. Ayan atin, no? Pag nasa loob, ng Pinas, pag napapasim, pag mag-i-inter-island, local makikita. Mga local boats. Ayan, local din, no?
Galing, ah. Ganun ka
Ayan,
tayo.
foreign. Pasila, no?
Yeah. Pulo.
Ayan, yan yung mga linununan. Galing. Seal ng gobernador.
King of Spain.
King of Spain. Navigation. World navigation.
And Guam, not to know,
Yeah,
is part
it's
of
under the leadership of the Philippines.
Ang
Guam?
Guam, yes.
The territory of the US?
Yes, before it became a U.S. territory.
Ang dami kong matututunan dito.
In fact, Malu, this one is one story alone. One story.
Actually, it depicts a phase in our history.
So you want civilization? Here?
This side. Oh, di ba?
This is the civilization. This represents the civilization, which is Manila. Kasi pag makikita mo yung structure as being depicted in the pictures, siya yung well designed.
May urban planning.
May urban planning.
Tama ka dyan.
Siya yung
Ito,
center.
tinanong ito, design talaga may street. Pero ito,
Open.
Opens.
As settlers. Parang ganon. Settlers siya. Ayan, Binondo. Muelle. Muelle de Binondo. June 29. Ayan, tama. Narinig mo ako, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, Tundok. Ang mga lupa sa Maynila, di ba? Tundok, Binundok, Santa Ana. Tingnan mo. Napatotohanan na yung sinasabi ko. Binundok. Sabi ko sa'yo, sinikwokin sa libro ni Nikwokin yun. Ayan, Binundok. Binundok. Hili. Kasi, Na-vindicate yun. Kasi tatanong, ba't mo tinatawag na binundok? Saan mo nakuha yun? Kasi tundok, which is tundok.
Tondo.
Dito yun. Binundok. Tapos ang tahanan.
There's Quiapo.
Yan, kaya mga old ano eh.
Kaya ang hirap linisin ng Pasig. Yung lahat ng mga stairs. Di
Ito
ba? Daming lahat.
Ayan o,
Those
papasok
are
ko.
little islands.
So it's either the salt
Pasok ang
water,
tubig or
and the riverbank ng ito, Laguna. Laguna, di ba? At tubig ng Rizal.
So, ang daming stairs.
Ang dami.
All of these are actually little islands. Na through time, nag-connect. Pero kaya baha.
Ang tawag ko doon,
Diyan lahat po.
ang tawag ko doon, by natural and forced accretion.
Sa akin. Ano yung kanal ng Manila eh.
Kaya malakita mo, pag naguhukay ka sa Maynila,
Oo, tama.
kapag hindi siya lupa, ang makukuha mo sisig.
sisig.
Kasi yun yung nagkaroon ng force and natural accretion.
Actually, dito pala, ang dami mo ng stone.
In fact, Malu, if we can, we're having personalities choose a topic and we use their presentation for
Storytelling.
education.
Yeah.
Justice Carpio will talk about the legal side. The mayor sana we can talk about why he named it Binundok. Ito mga sinasabi niya, and they will include that in the online.
Hindi ko ninig. Nabasa ko nung araw.
Yeah.
Tapos walang maniwala sa akin.
Ito na ngayon. 1734 na.
Ilang 1730, tawag talaga, binundok na. Oh.
Ilabas
So
natin.
tama yung sinulat ni Nick.
Oh,
Okay?
I read that book so many times. Very good book eh. Manila by Manila.
Ah.
Ganda. Quijano de Manila.
Ito talagang sentro ng
Very
lahat.
good book.
Dito nagsimula.
Yeah.
Yan, talagang makikita. Sakto naman, no? Heart of the country. Pag tinignan mo naman,
Puso talaga.
kaya dito dapat magsimula yung call for unity. Kasi by its very nature, pinaghihiwa-hiwalay tayo ng tubig eh. Archipelagic. So the only way to unite us is to have one heart, one mind, yung ano mo yung common goal,
Isang diwa.
isang diwa. Walang Bisaya, walang Mindanao, walang Tagalog. Pilipino.
Philippine.
Yun lang. Pilipino. Walang Ilocano, Ilonggo. Lahat dapat. Walang regionalistic. Tangit talaga ang regionalistic approach. Kapag ang mga leader nagsalita ng mga regionalistic, maghihiwa-hiwalay. Disintegration. Kasi, ay, amin yan. O amin to. Amin yan. Leaders should be heard unifying the entire island. Kasi yan paano nakapag-usap yung, let's just say, kwento lang, paano nag-usap ng Panay sa Negros noong 1734? The only way is to cross. Paano sila mag-unite? Paano sila na-unite? Alam naman, hindi, amin to. Hindi, amin ito. O dito kami. O sa inyo yun.
At saka nade-debunk yung issue ng Imperial Manila.
O pangit yun eh. Yung salitang imperial, dapat talaga unifying. Whether where you are. Governor. Kaya nga talaga tama yung kahit yung ibang bansa, di ba? One language. Kasi yun ang commonality kagad.
That's United States.
And that should be practiced. Filipino.
Hindi yung Tagalog.
Hindi Tagalog, hindi na siya tinawag na Tagalog, hindi siya tinawag na Manileño, hindi na siya tinawag na Bisaya, hindi na siya tinawag na Mindanao. Whether Cebuano, Ilonggo, Ilocano, no. Filipino. Kaya dapat ang salitang Pilipino simula sa Babuyan Island up to Hulu. Kawit-atit. This is the tip, almost everything. Dapat mag-echo. Yun ang unifying force. Common language. Doon magsisimula. Kasi may commonalities na eh. rin. Thank you.
We'll formalize our donation here.
Last, yung mga
Ay, may mawa pa. Doon ka na lang.
lugar sa Bulwagan. Lagyan mo na sa opisina ko. Sa
Change the name to
official.
Mayor will sign our donation.
Thank you.
Filipino, we make it.
Thank you very much.
Dito ka na, sir.
Dapat sa gitna ako. Dapat sa gitna na kayo. Ito ka sa gitna.
Thank you, ha. Sherry? 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 Okay, sige.
Picture, boss.
Doon ko sa
Oh. Ito po. Again, 1, 2.
Thank you.
Okay, you can join the video. You can join the video. You can join the video. Tama yung pwede ni Justice Carlos. Sige. Family mo na. Family mo na. Forward ka kahit sa housing.
Chris, come on.
Okay, everyone look here. Ready for one more. 31.
Francis, what you doing?
Halika kayo.
Ready? Everyone look here. 1, 2, one more. Ready? 1, 2, thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mayor, this is all the narratives for including the look of Duke of Northumberland is there. The whole history. We're also sending you the book of Justice Carter.
Oo.
Thank you, Mayor. Thank you very much for your
Thank you, ha.
time.
Thank you, thank you. Sa opisina. Thank you sa inyo. Thank you, ha. Ingat kayo. Thank you, thank you.
Mayor, thank you.
Thank you. Pati ito, Chief. Para may brief. Thank you. Ha? Ingat sir. Ha? Mag-ingat ka, ha? Thank you. Thank you, ah. Thank you.